To see one of the ways a cuddle zone system from Gardner's makes all the difference, let's check in with Mr. and Mrs. One. Poor Mrs. One. She can't take another night of lousy sleep next to Mr. Freight Train. His thunderous snoring is due in part to gravity and its narrowing effect on Mr. One's airway during the night. That's just one reason why sleeping flat is bad for you. But on a cuddle zone system, his head can be raised to the perfect position to reduce the pull of gravity, and that will reduce his snoring. It's the very reason astronauts don't snore at all in space. It's also why Mr. and Mrs. One can finally leave the train station behind and both get a great night's sleep thanks to our unique cuddle zone systems. Read all about how to sleep better and put snoring problems to rest, free.
Text the number 1 to 717-297-1961. We'll reply instantly with helpful information and mail your free copy of Sleep Better.
Are you ready for less snore, more cuddle? Schedule your in-person appointment with Gardner's today and leave the train station behind.